Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. I'm doing this intro just to show you my new otter shirt, which I'm super excited about. Today I'm going to show you guys my tool bag and what is inside of that. Some people have been asking what's inside your tool belt, and I wanted to make another update video. But starting out, I just want to go over the differences just between the my old pair of glow-in-the-dark dikes and my new pair. As you can see, this one is straight, this one is angled, and the grips are a lot different. They used to have the white part super low, and the new ones do not. You can barely see them inside the white part, and just the grips were super thick on the old ones, and the new ones are pretty much exactly the same as the blue handled ones, super thin and perfect. So I'm super excited about my new pair, and I can't wait to show you guys me replacing them right now. So let's go ahead and get started in the video. All right guys, so this is my tool belt exactly the way it was when I got laid off, which was for Thursday. So here's my new tools, which I'm gonna put in right now. So these are my old blue ones, which are pretty much brand new. As you can tell, they are pretty much identical, except for the color of the handles. This one glows in the dark, obviously. Same brand, same everything. So can't wait to replace those right there. And then next, going to replace my needle nose pliers as well. As you can see, the handles are a little bit thicker on the glow in the dark, which is fine just because these are pretty thin anyways, but they are exactly the same size within a few millimeters of the tips there. So anyways, gonna go ahead and replace those as well in today's video. So let's go ahead and get started, and let's bring you guys in a little bit closer. All right, so starting out, I have my glow-in-the-dark Phillips, just because I like to be able to tell the difference between the flat blade and the Phillips. So obviously I know the white handle is for the Phillips, and then the flat blade is the black handle. I do have the black handle Phillips, but I like to be able to differentiate those two. Then I just got my regular strippers right here, just pretty basic. They're pretty beat up and worn out, so those definitely need to be replaced soon because the teeth are all cut up. So anyways, then I just have my brand new glow in the darks, like I said, so super excited to use these for the first time. I got my 2 pairs of channel locks. I usually carry the smaller pair and then the larger pair here. I got those, and then because I was doing a bunch of pipe recently in the boiler room, I've been carrying my pipe reamer right there. This isn't focusing, sorry. Got my pipe reamer, and then also had the 15-in-1, the Dottie, old school Dottie. I can't figure out where this camera is. Got the 15-in-1 right here. This was actually one of my first tools. My coworker actually bought it for me. He bought me a pair of strippers, and this for, I think it was $2 at the time. So that was cool of my coworker to buy that for me at the time, right when I first started 9 years ago. So definitely some sentimental value with that one. And then, like I said, got my glow-in-the-dark needle nose right here. Got my 11-in-1 right there. And then I had a whole bunch of granola bars just because I wasn't eating breakfast, so I take those with me in case I got hungry. And then got my level and a backup pencil in this pocket right here. Obviously been in pipe and stuff like that, but always carry the level with you. Have this little ground wire right here just in case need to tie something off or poke something, or in case I need to ground something. And then I got my gear wrench or Husky. I don't even know what you call this. People call it like a dog bone, but it's a ratchet with 4 different sizes on it. And then my razor blade right there. And then the actual pencil right here. And then the little tweaker screwdriver, just the flat blade right there. And that pretty much wraps up that category. And then I also have a older, smaller pencil, so keep my good pencils in there, and then all that stuff. And then I got my little hot stick right here. Now you haven't been carrying the actual, I have been leaving some of my tools in my trunk, just stuff that I haven't been using. I haven't been carrying every single tool from the Union tool list in my bags at all times, just because I haven't been using them. Like I usually be using my meter probably like a couple weeks out of the year, so I never really ever carry my meter on me. And just have some wire nuts in this pocket right there. And I also have below the wire nuts, I believe, no, I actually moved it. Got a few water bottles on this side right there. I'll move this over so you guys can see a little bit better. My hammer, my Klein hammer. And for the one person wondering, all these little divots right there is from knocking nails off of the ceiling, which also removes your paint, but all these marks are just from hitting nails off the concrete ceiling, PT decks. And then my, how many of this is? My 5-in-1 Allen set right here. My Klein Tools Allen set. And just a little bit of tape, plastic bag for my safety glasses, which I've been carrying right here. If you know anything about safety glasses, you know they get scratched super easily, and once you get them scratched, you pretty much want a new pair. So I've been trying to keep these clean and putting them in my top pouch right here, where you would, if you were a framer or something, you would put like your triangle. But I also carry my headphones right here in case I want to listen to music, in case it's super loud or noisy or I'm just bored. And then I do have my 2 beater screwdrivers. Well, actually this one isn't really a beater screwdriver because it's brand new, but I have my old one, which is a beater screwdriver. The tip broke off, so definitely can't do any more. Can't use it for screwing in screws anymore or anything like that, just because it's broken. So I carry a second one just in case I want to actually screw something in. So I have those 2 right there. And then I have some gloves back here in the back pockets. And that's pretty much it. I have pretty much a brand new pair right there, and this pair is a little bit used and might have some insulation or something on it, so it might be a little bit itchy. But that's pretty much it. Pretty basic stuff, nothing too exciting. Like I said, also have some Sharpies in the back pocket right here. But these are just the tools that I've been using. Also have my tape measure on this side, which falls off really easily. I don't know, it's pretty much not the tape measure's fault, but pretty much this is getting really old and floppy, so it tends to fall off really easily when I set my tool bags down. So that's one thing I don't like about this tool belt. And then the tool belt itself, which I can't even remember the brand. It is the CLC tool belt, and I can try to put the link in the description, or if someone wants to know, drop a comment, and if I forget, then I will send a link to you, have it saved in my internet browser. But I think the tool belt usually is about $100 or $150, if anyone is wondering. And I think that's pretty much gonna wrap up the video. So that is all my tools. I'm going to retire or set aside these Klein tools over here. So can't wait to get going with my new glow-in-the-dark tools. So anyways, that's gonna do it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. As always, check the description for anything else. Hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload or do live streams, and whatever else I usually say that I have forgotten. God bless and have an awesome rest of your day. Thank you so much for the support. Drop a like and subscribe if you haven't already, to stay tuned and see more videos, and I'd appreciate it, and it'd help the channel grow. See you guys in the next video. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Peace out.